Hello, today I show you how to make a southern French starter called poivron rôti aux anchois, which means roasted bell peppers with salted anchovies. It is very easy to realize and super tasty. First you have to roast the bell peppers, either on your charcoal grill like this one in our garden, or under the griller device of your oven, which I will show you how to do. Therefore, you halve the bell peppers and empty them. You put them on a tray and stab them with a toothpick. You adjust your oven on upper heat only and 230 degrees Celsius, which is 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you let them roast until they turn black and show blisters. After 10 minutes roasting time they look like that, which wasn't burnt enough. However, I reduced the heat to 200 Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit, and did let them roast another 10 minutes. Once the bell peppers are done, you put them into a bowl where you let them rest for 15 minutes under a plate. This serves several purposes. They will become softer and cooler and will be much easier to peel. Best you start under the blisters and tear away the skin. Then you cut the pieces lengthwise into fine stripes of 4 to 5 mm width. Take care to correctly separate them. When the stripes are no more connected, they will be easy to arrange on the plate. Now the plating can start. For a circular shape, you start with the smaller pieces in the middle of the left and right side and fill up the rest with a little space in between. On these you place the anchovies decoratively. The garlic I'm slicing with a truffle slicer, which I'm considering a very useful tool for that purpose. For acidity I squeeze some lime juice over the bell peppers. I like limes because they have less pips. After that, some extra virgin olive oil is added, as well as some pepper and chopped parsley. Salt isn't necessary as the anchovies are salty enough. And by the way, this starter can very well be prepared in advance and pardons an hour in the fridge. But now it's time to enjoy that starter. Accompanied with some crunchy fresh baguette, it is an explosion of taste. I hope you are inspired by my video. Ingredients and amounts you will find in the description below. Have fun cooking and guten Appetit!